Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you've not already done it. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so today we're just going to create a tuple called countries, and we're just going to put some countries in here. We'll just populate it with a few random countries. So we've got Spain, Italy, let's say Germany, and India. Okay, so we've got some random countries there in our tuple. Now we're going to create a function because we're going to search within this tuple. So I'm going to call it search countries, because that's exactly what we're going to do. So that is clear enough to anybody who looks at the source code. Search countries. Okay, so entry here is going to be equal to input search tuple. So basically that's what we're going to do. We're going to search tuple. The tuple here. So if entry in countries, so if any country that we've entered into there is in the tuple of countries, the tuple which is up there, Spain, Italy, Germany, India, then we're going to print a message to the user. And the message is going to read country found. Okay, so that's country found. Or else, if the country isn't in the tuple, we're going to print country not found. Country not found, and we're going to do a new line here. Give us a little bit of space between the text. Okay, and then we're going to do print search again, and then we're going to give the user the option to search the tuple again by just simply typing in search countries. So this will take us back to the beginning of this function so we can search again. Okay, the last thing that we've got to do in order to run this program is to call it, and we're going to call it with the name of the function, which is search countries. Okay, right. All we have to do now is just save it, and then let's run the program, shall we? So let's have a look here. So search the tuple. So I'm going to search for Spain because we know Spain is in there, and there we go, country found. Okay, so I'm just going to click that off. I'm going to run it again, and I'm just going to type in a country that isn't in the tuple. So I'm going to type in, let's say UK. Okay, country not found. Search the tuple again. So let's search the country for another. Let's search the tuple for another country, Yemen. Okay, country not found. Okay, let's search it for India, which is in the tuple. Country found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you found that useful, and remember, before you go, if you've not already done so, hit the subscribe button and give me a like, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.